Test 1, 2. All right. Let's see. Let's see where we're at. Hey guys, good morning. So we're doing a couple of trades here. We made a little trade. We went from 62 to 64, 64.25. So I was trying to get this thing going. So we're going to enter a couple of trades here, but we're going to get chopped up here. Looks like we're going to go long here. We're going to retrace here. I'm going to take a little buy here. I want to test this real quick up. So I'm going to take a little buy here. Let's see. Here we go. So I'm going to try to get $100 off of this. See if it'll give me $100. There's 25. Let me set this straight here. Let's see. It's not going much higher, it looks like. I'm looking on this retracement to see if I can get $100. So I see there's still strength to the upside. I'm looking at my charts. There's a little retracement. So normally what I like doing is I'm going to test the market, but I'm only going to test it. I'm going to only test it with one contract first. I want to see where the support and resistance is at first before I do anything. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm just going to try to get a point. So normally what I try to do, like I said, I'm more of a candle reader. I've been reading candles for such a long time, and I'm only looking to buy on resistance. If there is a full candle, I'm always looking for a long-legged hammer or a long-legged inverted candle, followed by an engulfing bar at support or resistance. If not, I'm not going to take it. If not, I'm just going to sit on the sidelines and just wait to see what's going to happen. I try not to get in a hurry. I don't want to get in a hurry. I'm just looking to see what the market is going to do. And like I said, I'm more of a candle reader. So, and I'm not looking to take a home run. I'm just looking to take a little base hit. If I can get 200, if I can get $400 out of the market, that's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for, like I said, I'm not looking to make 10 points. I know a lot of traders that are looking to make 10 points. I'm looking just to make a little run here. Look, I got $150 here. Got $150 here. 275. I got 275. And I'm going to get out here. I got 400. Look, I got 400 here. 400. I got a little retracement here. See if I get a little push up. Here we go. A little push up to the upside. Got 4. Just lost it there on that retracement there. So, like I said, I'm not really looking for a lot. I'm going to close this position here. If I can get $150 here, let's see what I can get out of here. 250, 400, 400. I'm going to take the $400 there. So I see it's still going to go up. I still see it going up. But like I said, I took $400 off the trade. Oh man, I didn't show you guys. I had $400 on this trade here. Sorry. So I got in here, as you can see in the arrow at 87. Got out here at 80, 89. I took 2 points there. So man, I got to keep this camera here. Hold on, guys. Let me check this camera out. So I'm running a couple of cameras here by myself today, so it makes things harder because look, right here, I got in here at 67.25, right in this area here. You see that little arrow right there where I got in, and I exited out at 69. So I got 2 points out of it. So, all right, we'll find another trade. For you guys that are on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. So these are my notes here. So let's see what happens here. We're going to readjust here. And normally what I like doing is I like making notes. So we're going to do that right now. So let's see what we got. So I do know that if I can get through 71, So I'm just going to make a note here what I'm looking for. If I can get through 71 here, right? If I can get through 71, 71.50, 71.50, I'm going to retrace 70.50 or 71. I'm just going to give you my notes what I'm looking for the price to go up. And right in here. So I see some resistance. So if I was going to do anything, I would put a buy limit here, right in here. And I'm only going to try one contract only. I'm only going to do one. I'm not going to, I want to see the direction of the market. So I'm going to say 70.50, 70, let's see, 70.50, 71.50, 70.50, 70.50. So let's see what it does right there. 71.50. Actually, it should be 70.50. But here it comes to the downside. So I don't have to worry anything about breaking resistance. So let's just say that it would break to the upside. I see. Uh-oh. What do we got here? Okay. So, all right. So price is going to break. I see price going to 78 and 79. So I would have to draw a line right here, going up to 78, 79 to the upside. Of course, there's going to, I do a lot of history. So I look at history. So I know that price would go up to, I'm looking at price going back up to 71.25, 71.50 in that area. So that I do know if it goes up, there's where it's going. I got mixed signals here, so I'm not looking to do anything here. I may look to go long. And like I said, guys, I only look if I'm going to test the market to see what direction it's going to go. I'm only going to take 1 point. One contract just to test it to see what it wants to do. Check this out. Look what it's doing here. Look what it's doing here. You got a hammer, invert. You got a hammer here, engulfing bar. So let's see where this is going to go. It's still pushing down. I see price going back up to 71, 71.50, 72. So we're going to be patient here. The market open. The market open here at 9 o'clock, and it's quiet. It's not really doing anything here. So the market is doing absolutely nothing. So I'm going to open this here. So for me to go long, I need a hammer. This is what I need. I need something like this. I need a hammer like this candle here. Right? Or I need an inverted hammer. I'm looking for an inverted. If I can get an inverted hammer, I love these hammers here. If I can get a hammer like this where it's a long-legged hammer and then an engulfing bar, I'm going to take a point. But here I got nothing here, so I got absolutely nothing here. Everything to the downside, right? It's all pushing down. It's all pushing down right now, so I don't want to mess with it just yet. Check this out. You got an engulfing bar and then you got a hammer. So this is going to tell you it's going to push down a little bit. Watch this. It's going to push down. It's going to push down here. It's going to push down. Okay. So now you got a dragon, right? So you got wicks on both sides. So this is indecisive. This could push up here, but it's pushing down. It's going to push down. Now you got a hammer. This should push down. Continue to push down here. Continue to push down. So at 63, okay, so we got 63.50. Okay, so we got some resistance here. We got support and resistance right here. This is interesting because this can go up a little bit. This can go up a little bit. So, all right, so it broke it. So 62.25. 62.25 is a bounce, right? This is a little bounce here. I want to see what's going to happen here. This is a bounce. I got a hammer, right? I got a hammer. All right, so let's see what happens. This is interesting here. This is interesting for me. I like these areas here. I'm going to stretch this out in here. I like these. I like these. These are 50-50s, man. These are 50-50 trades. These are 50 trades because you can get a bounce. They can go through and then bounce back up. So what I'm looking here, I got a hammer, right? I got a hammer and I got another hammer there. So let's see how far it is. I'm in this trade here. So I'm up 100. I'm just going to take a little bit of this. Let me see. Oh, look, I got an engulfing bar and I got a hammer. So it's going to push a little bit more to the upside. Come on, baby, push. Like I said, this is a 50-50 here. So I got an engulfing bar and I got a hammer. So I'm looking for price to come up somewhere at 64.50. 64.50. I'm only looking for $100 here. If it gives me more, it gives me more. But if it gives me more, it's good. There it is, right there. Boom. I'm going to take this here. I got 250. I got 300. So I'm going to take these $300 here. Ooh, this wants to push a little bit more, a little bit more. I'm going to, boom. So 250, we took oh, God, too soon. So we took that 250 right there. I don't know who's seeing this, but what made me take this trade? Check this out. I got 250, I think, out of this trade, and it's still going to go up. Wow. Do I got an opportunity here? Let me see if it's going to retrace here. So yeah, we may have a little opportunity. So we got a hammer and engulfing bar, So let's see where it takes us. Let's see where this takes us here. So we got a little trade here. So I'm going to make some notations here. I'll get this off real quick. So you got support here. So this is what I see. I'm just going to show you what I personally see here on this push. Let's see. I want to make sure I get this right here. So I'm going to make some quick notes here. So price comes up. Right? Oops. So price comes up in here, retraces, right? So price comes up and it retraces in here. So our target is going to be 67. So I'm going to put a target on there. So I'm going to go target. So we're going to make this a little bit bigger here. The font 14. We're going to go to, I think we're using 18 if I'm not mistaken here. So we're going to use this as a target to the upside, right? So this would be a little target there. So we're looking for price to come up. I know it looks ugly. It doesn't look pretty, but we're looking at price is going to come up. So we're looking at the price to close up here at 65. We trade 65. Your target is 67. Your target is at 67 to the upside. So we're looking to go up. So if I can get a hammer, I can get a long-legged hammer to close out 65. So this has to go to 65 here. That candle right there, 65, there it is. So that puts us up right there at 65. So a little retracement and a push. So our target, like I said, is 67, our target. Wow. Okay, so let's just check it out where we're going here. For you guys that are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the other social medias, normally what I'll do is I do a trade of the day. So we've already done 2 trades so far. So our next target is to take this to, our next target here to the upside is to take it to 67. We're looking to go to 67 here. So normally, look, normally I'm not looking, I want you to know that I'm not looking for these home runs. I'm not looking to go crazy and make a 10-point run or anything like that. I'm just looking, first of all, I'm looking for the direction of the market, right? So in the direction of the market, I only trade in one contract. If I see that the market is in my favor and I'm going in that direction where the market is going, first thing that I want to do, first of all, if I'm offset, and it's giving me a lower with a higher low, and I'm offset in that direction, in the direction of the trend, first thing that I want to look for is on support. Do I have a hammer? I know this is old school. I've been trading for 20 years. I'm looking for a hammer. In that hammer, do I have an engulfing bar based on support and resistance? And if I don't have that, then I'm not going to trade. But if I'm offset and I see a hammer with an inverted bar, with an engulfing bar at resistance, I'm going to go long. I'm going to take it. I'm going to go long here. But if not, I won't take it. I'll just sit on the sidelines and just wait to see what the market is going to do. And normally that's what I do, because sometimes there's just nothing to take. So, and we have to know that when there's nothing to take, we got to know that there's nothing to take. So let's see what the market gives us here. So we're looking at, we're looking at price to go to 57. Okay, so we'll do 57. We'll do 57 as a target. 57 would be a target. Let me see. 57 would be a target here. 57 would be a target right there. So we got, let me see what we got here. So price is still working. Price is still trying to work its way down here. So let's see what it does here. Let me see. Okay, so engulfing, you got a little push to the upside. So here you got something here. The market is still radical, right? It's up and down. The market is still radical here. But you got an engulfing bar, you got a hammer, closes out. So this is what price has to do to it to continue to the upside. So, oops, I'm sorry, guys. I've been putting it on me here. So here we go. So so from here you got base, right? So you got a base here. Let me see where we're at right now. We're looking to go to, let's see. We got a little retracement here, right? And price uses a retracement to the downside. Wow, sorry guys, sorry. So price uses a retracement here. Price gives us a retracement there. The only problem is look at the retracement there. Let's see what we got here. Price has to come up in here. Price comes up in here. Wow, check this out. No, listen, guys. No selling right now. I know the market is going to try to push down. No selling. Don't sell. Just hang tight. No selling. Don't sell. Market is, look, you got mixed signals here, guys. You got total mixed signals. I'm going to show you where you got your mixed signals. So you're offset here. Check this out. You're offset right there. So look, you have an engulfing bar, right? You have a hammer, and then you get an engulfing bar on the opposite side. So you get an engulfing. So this should push down. I don't want anybody selling here. Let's just be patient. Let's see what it does when it gets to 59. Let's see what it does at 59. Don't get in a hurry. Don't get in a hurry here, guys. Let's just be patient. This is a good chance it'll come back to 59. Let's see what it does at 59. Just be patient. There it is at 59. So you hit support because you made that new low there, right? So let's just be patient here. Don't get in a hurry. Let's not get in a hurry here. So here you go. Let's see where it's going. We already know that this is the target where it's going. You have a bottom here. But let's just be patient. You got a lot of resistance. You got a lot of resistance there, a lot of resistance here. So be patient here. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. Just be patient. Let's see. Let's see if it's not going to retrace here. Let's just check. Do not take a sell. Do not take a sell. Just wait. Just be patient. Let's get everything to line up. I'm not saying that it's not going to continue to sell. What I'm saying is just be patient to see the signals, to see the direction where the market wants to go. That's it. That's all I'm saying. Just don't get in a hurry. I don't want anybody selling here. Do not sell. Do not sell. I believe price, look, I believe price will go back up to 62, retrace 62 and take out 67. So I'm just going to make some notations here just in case. It's still, to me, it's still on the downtrend, right? It's still in the downtrend. It's still trying to make, but I do like that it broke its last resistance here. So retracement to me, I see it a little bit to the upside. Do not sell, please do not sell. Just be patient. Just be patient. Just be patient. Let's just see if we're going to see what we're going to see here. Yes. It is on a downtrend. Yes, I agree. It's on a downtrend. It's still in the down. I just don't see where. Look, I just don't see. There you go. Now, if it retraces here and sells, then sell. So put your sell limit at 58.50. If you're going to put a sell, put at 68.50. 68.50 would be your sell. So when it goes up and retraces, comes down, you have an opportunity there. But to me, at 60, man, there's a lot. At 60, there's a lot of resistance. If this breaks 60, it's going to take off. So this is why I said, hold on, don't sell, just be patient. Sell limit would be at, I would say, 58. If you're going to sell at 58. 58 would be where it'd be safe because it would make you had a higher, right? And it's making its way down. But I would wait for 58 to get confirmation. I just don't trust 60 because I believe it'll take off. I really do believe that this will take off here. I got somebody at the door, so I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. I'm already in. Okay, guys. So this is what I see here. See what's going on here. Let's see where we're at. I got a friend of mine, Giovanni. Say hi, Giovanni.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Good morning. So here we go. So like I said, I see price going up. You got any golf? Oops. So you got any golfing bars still going up a little bit here? So I'm going to see where I'm at with this trade here. Where am I? Ooh, I just got $200. That's it. So I'm going to hold on to this trade. It may come back down, but I'm going to hold on to this trade. Okay. So we're going to hold on to this trade. We're not letting it go. I'm not going to let it go. I'm going to hold on to this trade. Okay, so
Don't worry about this one. This one's still live. I'm gonna go
okay.
share the live on the.
Oh, okay. So
using the camera right now.
Got the camera there? Okay. So normally, like I say, guys, all I'm looking for is to take a couple of points. I'm not looking to get greedy. If I have to reverse my position, I never have problems reversing my position. If I don't see it, I'm going to reverse my position. So like I said, I don't. How can I say it? If I don't see a trade, if it's not in my favor, man, I have no problem getting out of a trade that's not a good trade for me. I just don't have a problem getting out of trade. Um, I'm only looking, normally I'm only looking for a couple of points, and if it's not going in my direction, I don't see it working, I'm not going to take the trade. I personally like bounces. Wherever there's major resistance or major support, I'll play the bounce. But I do know one thing, that if you're going to play a bounce or you're going to scalp the market for a point, point and a half, 2 points, you have to be careful that it's in your direction. If it's against you, let's just say that the trend is, let's just say, for example, the trend is up and you want to take a retracement on the way down. That retracement has to be small. It's only going to be a point, maybe a point and a quarter, a point and a half, because it's a downtrend or it's an uptrend. So the bigger, if you take a trade and you're with the trend, then you know that you're going to be filled. It's going to work in your direction. Those are the things that you got to look at, because if not, you'll just get hurt on the trade. You're going to get hurt on that trade. So that's what I personally look for. I don't look for anything else other than that. I'm always looking to see where the market is going to come back, if it's going to retrace, if it's going to sell. I try to go in the direction of the market. So let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. So like I said, I'm not looking to go crazy. I'm just looking to see if I can make a profit. If I can make a profit, I'm going to take a profit. If I can't make a profit, then I can't make a profit. That's all to it. So if I can't make it, there's nothing I can do. So earlier I had to reverse myself. I reversed myself, lost $400. But I personally rather lose 400 and then try to ride it out and try to force the market to give me something that, man, sometimes there's nothing there in the market to give you. Sometimes there's nothing that you can do. There's nothing that you can personally do, because the market is going to continue. The market is going to continue to do what it wants to do, and it's frustrating, because you start fighting that trend, you see where the market is going, and you continue to fight that trend, and you continue to get in trouble, So, like I said, I personally, I'm looking for small trades, man. I don't want to make these big trades, because I know that it can get me in trouble right away. So I won't mess with it. I mean, I truly got to see if there's going to be some type of change or on the direction, or the market is trying to do something that I don't see, So my style of trading, man, is more of a scalper. I think that's what I'm looking. That's what I look for. I'm more of a scalper. I'm not looking to, make these home runs. I'm really not looking to, that's it. I'm just looking to make a point or two. And if I can do maybe 2 trades, 3 trades with 2 points, 2 contracts or 4 contracts, I've made $1,200 for the day. So like today, it's very slow. We do know it's in a downtrend. It's very slow, but it's going to meet the bottom here at 49 or at 43.49 or 43.47, and it'll be over. It'll be over. I mean, it will be over. And if you're not prepared, it'll be ugly. So that's what I mean. That's what I look for. I just see what the market is going to do, what direction the market wants to go. I don't want to be chasing the market. I don't want to be running after the market. So those are things that I look for. Sometimes the market is just fast, and there's nothing that you can do. This is showing, so, wow, this is showing something else here. Let's see what it does. It's been all mixed. It's been all mixed signals, to tell you the truth. It's just been all mixed signals here. All mixed signals. So when it should be buying, it's selling. So let's see what this market gives us here. Let's see what it gives us. Before it turns up against us, let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. I personally want to see what it does. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I'm talking about. Drop, 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 drop. Drop, drop, drop. Come on, baby. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Come on, baby. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. I know you can keep dropping. I know. Come on. Come on, baby. Get in there. Mm-hmm. Um, we gotta, I mean, we gotta keep in mind one thing that I do know is that, oh, my chart's closed down here. All right, let's see what we got here. Mm-hmm. All right, so let's see what's going on. Let's see. That's one thing about trading, man. You gotta have your charts, you gotta have your internet, you gotta have everything going. Because if not, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Still calculating there. See what we got. All right, let's see. Still calculating on my chart here. That's the only thing when these charts go on. Ninja Trader has, or sometimes your charts will go on. Okay, so where are we at here? Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna draw a line here. A line here to there. See if it'll continue to sell here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, market is doing totally what it wants to do. It's doing its thing, I can tell you that. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We got new highs here. Yeah, price wants to go up. Let's see what we got here. So this is a reversal here. This is a reversal here. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna open these charts up here. All right, I'm getting ready to make some notations here, guys. Just bear with me real quick. See what we got. Here we go. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let me see. 58. And I gotta hold on to this here. I gotta hold on to it. Let it go. Okay, look at this here. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. So we're gonna add. Oh man. Okay, so this is pushing up right here. This is gonna push up here. Let's see. $63. That's gonna go up to 67. So retracement. Okay, so let's see what we got. Got retracement here. Retracement. Retracement there. Retracement right there. See what happens right there. The market is definitely doing what it wants to do. That's just part of what it's doing. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna let it run here. We'll just let it run there. Just all right, guys. I'm gonna let it run. I'm just gonna leave it just the way it is. I'm gonna let it run here. I'll be right back. Man, this thing's been off all this time. This audio has been off all this time.
The live.
Yeah. Hasn't been showing the charts either.
Right now you were on your camera.
Yeah, that's why I need that up so that way I can see. Yeah, at least do these trades here. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna let this. I gotta let it run here. I'm gonna let it.
Put this page smaller so you can see it all the time. Trying to create a page profile
Okay.
so that way you're not you're not publishing under Jesse Perales, but as a Sony no, as a Silver Fox Trader.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to. I'm actually trying to keep my profile in one piece. You know. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep my name out of it. You know. I want them to learn from. I'm trying to brand Silver Fox. You know.
Do you know your Facebook page password?
Which one?
Password for Facebook.
Your Facebook. Let me come on.
That
That may be her. Is that you, Soap? Oh, real quick, I got a question for you. I'm in here, babe. You know where this picture from? That from?
No, it's probably some random stuff.
Huh?
It's probably just some random stuff. Just hold the picture.
So we need the, you said you need the
Oh, the
Facebook,
Facebook password.
huh?
The Facebook password.
Facebook password.
That's your Facebook password. I don't have
I don't, Facebook, I don't even know the Facebook password. Was it like Sunny82 or something?
It's your Facebook password. I don't have it myself.
Did I create Facebook or? How do I get that Facebook
You
password?
might have to reset. I want to see. I don't know.
See if you can
Pretty
get
sure
it
I
up.
don't.
All right, guys, so like I said, I'm letting this thing run here.
Let's see if it's that one.
Here we go.
No,
Let's see,
I think I'm wrong. I do have it.
let's see what we got here.
Thank you so much.
Let's see what we got here. I'm still, and I can't sell this. I see it to the upside. It's impossible for me to sell it. I just see it going up. I see it going. Oh, why do I see it going up so high? Let's see where the next resistance at. The next resistance would be. Next resistance would be here. 61. Like I said, I see it going up. This would be my target here. Let's see. Yeah, target. 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 See what happens. And I can't see selling this thing. I know the volume is pushing down. I see the volume pushing down, but I just can't get myself. 57.50, 57.25, there's a lot of pressure there, so I just can't sell it. I can't sell it. I can't sell it. I have to hold on to it. Come on, baby, get up there. There you go. Get up there. Who's Lydia Rose? Who's Lydia Rosebeck?
What's the meaning of that? Um, she's the one that had told you her husband was in and out of prison,
Okay.
and then he came out, she got pregnant.
Oh, he left.
He had to go back in, got in trouble. And when he came out, he just
Did his thing.
did his thing.
That normally happens.
She's a worship leader, or she was a worship leader. Yeah. When she was going to church, she was going to Bayala.
Oh, okay. Where are we at right now? So I still see this to the upside, guys. This is my target there. That's the target right there. So I'm gonna sell a little bit here. I'm gonna hedge here. I'm gonna sell some of this. So the next target I see there, it's up here. This is your next target up here. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. I'm gonna sell three more here.
Are you the admin on Silverbox Australia page?
Mhm.
Can you add him as a
I'm gonna sell three more here.
yeah, no, he's
That'll give me
just
three.
another
So I'm gonna leave it right there where it's at. That's your next target. Price goes up. Price retraces.
I have him on the group of the page, because I actually don't have him on the page.
What's that? Rick?
You want it on the group of the page?
on the page.
So price will come back up here. Price will come back here. Go back
Got it.
here. Your target. Your target right there. And let's see what's going on right there. All right. Even though I see this to the upside, I'm going to take a profit here. I'm going to get out of here. So I'm gone. Let me see. I see a little push to the upside. Push right here. Look, right in here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this profit here. I'm going to get out. All right, guys. For you guys that are on the social media, we're going to cut the class off. Like I said, if you guys ever want to come into our class, you know what to do. If you want to see real live trading, you guys are always welcome. So just share, like, sign up, and then we'll get back with you guys. All right. Have a great day, guys.